seen all kinds of sandstorms. Soft one, itchy one, sideways one, spicy one, and that weird one that gets in your butt crack. Hey guys, day 97 on the Oregon Trail. Meet my new friend, say hi Lucy.
What's up guys?
Nothing lasts forever. Not storms, not setbacks, not even banana cravings.
It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday, man. I love you, man.
I love you too, man.
Now let's go steal some biscuits.
Guys, that's a fucking train! You see that? Let's go catch some ride! Gotta run for it! Guys, I didn't catch the train. That thing was faster than a raccoon on Red Bull.
Got picked up by Uber. First class ticket, baby. No horses, no steam, just human horsepower. Shout out to my Uber driver in the back.
What's going on here? Guys, why are there so many Chinese dudes swinging hammers? Can anybody tell me? Anyone?
This is the Central Pacific Railroad construction site, Sierra Nevada, 1866.
What?
Keep those spikes driving, boys. We're making history here. Work faster, you lazy curs. This railroad won't build itself.
Not our
Move
fight
it.
today.
No tofu, no soy sauce. But honestly, these guys got soul.
Laundry day on the frontier. My spin cycle is 2 chopsticks and a prayer.
Oh no. Oh great love.
Some find their calling in temples. Me, I found mine in 10 pounds of steel and 1,000 pounds of respect.
Lift!
We did it, tribe! From the mountains to the dust, we laid the track and made history! Alright, tribe, I'm heading to Hill Valley to catch up with my boy Doc. Time waits for no panda, so I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.